Jill Collins not only supports the idea of holding onto your investments when the stock market goes down, but also he suggests to seize the opportunity and add more money into your investments. Hi, I'm Weronika, and in today's episode we're going to learn how to increase your returns, why investing in a bear market could be a gift to an investor, and why the simplicity of investing is key to building your wealth. Let's get started. Jill Collins' philosophy for comfortable and simple living highlights the importance of setting up a solid foundation for your financial future. This includes the long-term strategy of investing in low-cost index funds. Creating your financial foundation. The main reason he got interested in investing was not the desire to become a millionaire overnight. He started his financial journey simply because of his own family's hard time due to unexpected health issues. He had the urge to be able to not worry about not having enough money ever again and to be able to live comfortably in the long term, especially under unexpected circumstances, which could have a negative impact on his professional future. He believes that we should be prepared for uncertain moments in life, like losing the job you've had for 10 years or getting a serious medical condition that would cause you inability to work. You can't take your comfortable financial position for granted and rely only on your income. This is why he promotes financial stability by educating yourself and starting to invest early. The advantages of investing in index funds. Since Jill Collins prefers the simple solutions to living, he also prefers it within managing his personal finance. He believes you should make your life easier also by investing in index funds rather than picking your own stocks to beat the market. He states that the investment world already seems so complex, while in fact, it isn't. One of the advantages of investing in index funds is simplicity. And for those who are new to investing or those who lack the time to do complex analysis of valuing a business, the simple option to invest in index funds could be the perfect way to start and get acquainted with the stock market. And the other advantage of investing in index funds is that you invest in the whole index consisting of differentiated businesses, not a single company. Which means that an index fund is self-cleansing when a business is not doing well and is being replaced by new promising businesses coming up instead. How to invest in a bull market and a bear market. Jill Collins says that he recommends not even trying to be bothered whether it is a bull market or a bear market when you are in a constant lookout for business opportunities. He suggests that the only reasonable approach is to invest systematically regardless of the market's fluctuations. What you should do is learn how not to pay attention to those price changes in the perspective of 15 to 20 years. And then, as he says, you might be amazed by how much your returns have grown. Why investing in a bear market could be a gift for an investor. Jill Collins not only supports the idea of holding onto your investments when the stock market goes down, but also he suggests to seize the opportunity and add more money into your investments. This way you get to build your wealth slowly but systematically regardless of the current stock market conditions. Simply because the changes will occur numerous times in the future and you should not allow yourself to get influenced by them. The biggest mistake new investors make. Jill Collins recognizes that the kind of behavior and attitude he doesn't approve of among investors is claiming they have figured out how to time the market and that those people who claim they do are fooling themselves and others. As a result, this could mislead other investors and influence their financial decisions, which would cost them losing money. Instead, he advocates for being humble, rational, and focused on your own goals. That's a wrap for today. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to watch other videos we created for you.
Have you ever wanted to build a supremely durable portfolio that can last the test of time? Not just decades, but centuries? If you're Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, the world's largest hedge fund, then the answer is yes, and he calls it the all-weather portfolio.